never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness of reflection.
Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw, patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal ko kayo. So, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat at welcome to my YouTube channel. So, for this video guys, another video na naman ang inyong matutunghayan at sana po mag-enjoy po kayo at sana magustuhan nyo po ang aking premiere for today. So, sa lahat po ng manonood ngayon, sa lahat ng magre-replay, nasa inyo na po yan kung paano nyo na naman ako hasgahan pagkatapos nyong mapanood yung aking video. So, set back, relax, and enjoy sa panonood ng aking premiere for today. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon, sa lahat po ng magre-replay, at sa lahat ng patuloy na nagsusuporta talaga sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po at sa mga bagong dalaw po dyan, please consider po na i-subscribe nyo po ang aking YouTube channel at i-click ang notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga ina-upload na video sa mga susunod po. So, sa ulit po, maraming salamat po and enjoy sa panonood ng aking premiere. Bye! Thank you for watching guys ha. Enjoy! Mwah! Tapos na po tayong maligo at magpapahid na po tayo ng lotion. Ano kayang lotion yung ginagamit? Bye!